Hey everybody, making this video because of the new LED lights that came out and just how much benefit they are over the other ones. This is a generic bulb, 40 watts, fluorescent 40 watts, and 40 watts on LED. I made a spreadsheet I'm going to show you, and then we're going to go take a look at the bulbs in action, lit up, and see just how much they... So here's the three bulbs that I showed you originally. Okay, type of bulb is original, fluorescent, and LED. All of them are 40 watts. Alright, so the two of them are daylight. You'll be amazed when I show you the difference between this daylight and this daylight. Now this bulb is used for refrigerators and ceiling fans. Alright, it uses a default of 40 watts, the original bulb, lasting 1,000 hours. And there's no energy savings. There's no information on luminance, how bright it is. And if you ever touched an original light bulb when it's on or it has been on, it's very hot to touch. When it's hot, it's drawing a lot of amps, all right, and that's what causes the heat, like an iron on an ironing board. All right, now on the fluorescent side, 40, unknown on what type, if it's daylight or anything else, it uses 10 watts, all right. That's what was the big energy saver back in the late 90s, early 2000s, all right, so probably early 2000s. All right, life hours is 8,000, so it's 8 times that. 520 luminance, okay, that's really amazing, and I do not believe that is true, because when you look at this one, you're going to say, how the heck is this brighter than this? You're not going to believe just how bright that is. This saves you, according to the paper on the package, $24 a year, and there is a fire hazard. I'll link that above. I have that on my YouTube channel. All right, when one start burning up in the ceiling fan in my youngster's bedroom. Now this down here is the LED. All right, same thing, 40 watts, daylight, just like this. You'll be amazed how much brighter this is than this. It uses 7.5 watts, so it's even lower than this. 25,000 hours. Wow, 25 times this up here. It's on the package. It says 485 lumens. I think it's more than this, or these numbers are wrong. Saves you $89 a year. Now granted, these guys are expensive, but you can find sales and coupons. All right, so keep an eye out for like Ace gives 20% off on certain days and appreciation days. And there's no hazards that I have found, and it's not hot to the touch. You can touch the bulb while it's in the socket burning, and it's not hot to the touch. All right, so hey, that's some good ideas for you. Something to consider when replacing your bulbs. Hey, let's go take a look at them now. I'll turn them all on the same tree of lights, and you can see the actual difference between each one of these bulbs. All right, just to show you, normal bulb is up there, fluorescence over there, and LED is right there. All right, so using the normal bulb, look how bright it is. Okay, not bright at all. It's a 40 watt daylight bulb. Now the halogen bulb, or fluorescent bulb, it took a while for it to get the brightest it is, and that's it. All right, a little brighter than this one here. Okay, and then down here, look at that. That's the daylight from LED. All right, another thing is you could touch that. I'm touching this right now, and it's not hot at all. You touch this one, it's going to be hot. I feel it right there. That's the heat coming off, the wattage being drawn. And this guy here, you could touch it, but you know, it's not that hot at all. All right, that's because it's pulling 10 watts over there, 40 watts up here. And just like an iron on an ironing board, it pulls the wattage and the plate gets hot. All right, so I think the better deal, even though the high cost, the better deal is LED. Hey, your thoughts on this? All right, subscribe and see more. Bye.